Only topping out in the upper 30s, but with that sunshine and that nice sun angle, which is now at 33% in Milwaukee this time of the year. All of January, it's like 20%. So you can feel the difference outside. It will be a nice day, but I want to get you to kind of the big story when it comes to what's going on in our weather. So yeah, today is fine, but tomorrow we have a slight chance of showers as I'm tracking a weather system on the way. And as it arrives, as it gets closer, it kind of spits out a couple of these little chance of showers. Tuesday, heavier rain starts to pick up later in the day. Yes, I think we could get a rogue shower in the morning, but it's really going to be the bulk of it. It's going to be late in the day. This transitions overnight into Wednesday. But then as the system moves out, on the backside, we punch in some cold air. And that could turn that rain to even a rain-snow mix and definitely some windy conditions going into Wednesday. So the first couple of days this week of this work week, not looking the greatest. High pressure is starting to move its way out. We have clouds, just some high clouds right now over off to the western part of the state, but we have a lot of sunshine out there. If you're in the southeast part, it's cold though. It's 8 degrees, but it's not as windy. So we don't have these horrendous wind chills this morning. We have chills that are in the single digits, but it's not feeling that bad. We'll get that beautiful sunshine today. Can't wait till all of this starts to green up, because looking at, you know, a yellow brown grass starts to get a little sad this time of the year, but we'll get there, guys. It'll take some time. We have full sunshine all day today, highs near 36, but next week is the big story. Here's that weather system, and as it gets closer, see what it does? It just kind of pops up a few of these little tiny rogue showers. This is mainly happening afternoon, late evening, moves north. That's due to what we call warm air advection, which means the warmer air is coming in and we start to see that little bits of rain pops up, and it's not going to be a lot. So now we go to Tuesday. Tuesday, the big bulk of the rain arrives. See the time here? The second half of the day. And this could bring us about an inch of rain. Now, I'm not too worried about flooding at this point. Main reason is that we don't have any snowpack, so otherwise that would just run off. But we'll get some of that rain that can actually infiltrate into the ground. Plus, it's a long duration kind of thing. It's not all at once, so it'll allow it to kind of trickle in. We go to Tuesday night, rain still happening, kind of in waves, and then that low goes north and east. And on the backside, we get rain to snow potential on Wednesday. How much? Honestly, it looks pretty wimpy. I would say at most you could get an inch out of this, but again, that's with the data I have right now, and there's really no consistency in the weather models. But right now, it doesn't look like a big system we'd have to worry about. What is going to be bad is areas further south. With our system, we don't get severe weather, but boy, they could. I mean, we're already looking 3 days out, and they have a big bullseye over the Ark-La-Tex region. So, and also, obviously, you know, Mississippi as well. So really watching that system here, especially if you're going to be traveling at any point in time. But you can see your 7-day forecast. First 3 days of the work week are a little, and then we have a 1-day break, and then we go back to a chance of rain or snow in the forecast. We maintain very mild temperatures, so the snow, if we do get it Wednesday, it would be tough to accumulate a lot, and I don't think it will.
Gotcha, because I'm looking at, looks like we got 40s and at least 150 day in a week, so yeah.
Right.
Gotcha. Thank you, Lindsay.